Baked macaroni and cheese for the first time. Rick, you gotta taste it too. And give your honest opinion. You want our honest opinion, right?
Huh?
You want our honest opinion, right?
This is my first time. It ain't fair.
Right? It is fair. What's up, y'all? It's dijahashanti back with another video. I am on my way to my doctor's appointment. I gotta drink that orange stuff. I guess they said they were supposed to be checking my sugars or something. I don't know. But I'm on my way there. Then I gotta do a few more things and, you know, get Jamari and stuff. So yeah, I got a pretty busy day today and I'm super tired. I was on live yesterday too. But yeah, let's see what today holds. I don't know what else I'm gonna get into today, but let's see how today goes. At my appointment, they gave me, I had put in the house, but they had gave me this orange drink to drink. I guess they were supposed to give it to me before the appointment, so I was supposed to come to the appointment. I already had that stuff, you know, I already drank that stuff, and then I got my baby back there. And then I had to wait like an hour not eating anything, and then they was gonna draw my blood. I guess it's checking to see how my body would react to sugars, you know. It's like a diabetic test or something like that. That's what he said. I love you. Say hi. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Now look at the camera. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
I love you, Jamari. My favorite, you're my best buddy. Until the baby comes. Not just playing. So my sister made some baked macaroni for the first time, and she want me to taste it. She about to be on her she about to be on her way right now. She kind of nervous because it's her first time making baked macaroni and cheese. So I'm gonna give her my honest opinion.
Okay, so this one, I'm gonna bring the other one.
Why you gonna bring both of them?
Cause this one got jalapeno cheese and the other one don't.
But I'm not. I like jalapeno. Well, okay, for presentation, it looks nice. You know, it looks good. She put a lot of cheese on it. Before she came in, she said that she think that she had it in there for too long, but
count by ones, starting at 8.
It looked like it needed to be more moist from looking at the top. No?
Yeah, sometimes chop it dry.
Yeah, you can't really tell like that.
Get inside of it.
10, 8,
I'm about to just
11.
should I just cut it? Okay, so that's the regular. So this okay. So you wanna, you know, cut me out some? Oh my goodness. Baked macaroni and cheese for the first time. Rick, you gotta taste it too. And give your honest opinion. You want our honest opinion, right?
Huh?
You want our honest opinion, right?
This is my first time. It ain't fair.
Right? It is fair. But so what if it ain't as good as you think it is? You wanted to just say it's good?
No, I was trying to be honest.
Alright, okay.
But if it's nasty, don't be like, you know.
Why you cutting it like it's a dang old cake? It's a little piece.
How's you today?
Aww. How are you today? Alright.
10, 11, 13.
Okay. It feels good, you know? Okay. Oh. Okay.
13, 11, 10, 12,
Okay, sis.
11, 12.
So that's with the jalapeno cheese.
You doing a video, Jamari?
Macaroni just flew over.
That's how I scoop that over. Okay. You know I love macaroni sometimes.
Oh, you put some black pepper. I put black pepper on mine. I don't know if you do it.
Okay, I do it. I like the hot
We're gonna try it at the same time.
Oh yeah, go ahead. She put black pepper on hers, so I'm gonna put black pepper on.
I just did that so sloppy.
You really did. Why didn't you just
get from the corner. She just digging right in like.
10, 11, 12, 13,
Okay, what side you
14.
gonna take first?
14.
So this side is the
12,
regular,
10,
regular, and then I got jalapeno cheddar. She
13,
said.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
She live. She like, well, it don't matter. Okay, well, look, I want to taste jalapeno first. Go ahead, spice. All right, let's dig in.
That cheese.
9 plus.
It must be good because he immediately went for another bite.
She's on mine.
You never had too much cheese. You ask me.
It's good. And you like some more like, it's missing something. Yeah. I can't put my finger
And
on
then
it.
like, cause you know some people put like seasoning in the cheese too.
Yeah, I did it.
But I mean, it's not bad. You know
What video did you watch? Was it like
YouTube.
who was making it?
That's what I used to do.
You wanna taste it?
I'll take some of yours. So
So I
what's
got to put red seasoning.
So the one, that's the jalapeno, and the other one regular. I didn't even taste the regular side yet. Yeah, that's the regular.
The jalapeno, I didn't put that much. I just put.
Yeah, cause you know I like spice. You know what I'm saying? So it's like,
So I just need.
I can tell you for sure, it tastes way better than the box one. So that's a good thing. You know what I'm saying? I would choose that over that any day. You know what I'm saying?
good?
And you know, if for this be your first time,
Taste the jalapeno.
4,
okay.
Go more toward the top of the jalapeno because I ain't gonna get in the bottom.
Oh, you didn't? Oh, okay.
14, 2 plus.
Yeah, it ain't that bad, right? Yeah. It ain't that bad.
16.
So for your first, try, it's pretty good.
Yeah, it was at least it was a success. It wasn't a failure.
Yeah, it needs a little more, to the taste wise, and it needs to be a little more moist, like more cheesy, like
You know what you could do too? You could like
All 6
mix it up.
candles on his birthday.
You know what I'm saying? Like, it's gonna fuck the macaroni up, but mix it up, put something in there, maybe a little salt. I don't know know exactly, but and then put
Like
some more.
mixed seasoning inside of it.
Yeah, and then put some cheese on top of it, throw it back in the oven.
That's like fixing it, like after it up. I think I'm gonna do that.
If you want to. Feel good, bro.
I think I am gonna do that because I got you.
Can I have one?
Have that one.
Okay, I can tweak it.
Yeah.
So let me tweak it, right?
Y'all gonna have a comment?
And then I'm recording you eating it.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. All right, we're gonna do this.
I like this. Is we still on camera?
Yeah.
I like that idea. I like that.
Yeah, so I'm gonna smash this and then we're gonna have her taste it after I tweak it. Add.
You gonna tweak it or he gonna tweak it?
We gonna tweak it. I can tweak it by myself.
Right.
you know
If it's
what
gonna
I
be a
mean?
competition, that's you gotta do it.
Okay, I tweak it by
That's not
myself.
fair.
I'm gonna make it. All I gotta do is just make some cheese. Make the cheese.
Oh, let him get it done. Let both of us tweak it. You tweak
Okay.
this one. I tweak this
Okay,
one.
so you be basically redo it?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we come back.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to go to the store too today, so we can get all the stuff for it. I'm gonna win, sis. I'm just like, I got some stuff.
We already got it because we got cheese in there. We got
No,
something
I
that's
we need some more stuff. I got stuff in mind.
Are you trying to be extra?
No, I'm about to hook this up because it got potential. You know what I'm saying? It just needs a little bit of Dijah sauce, cheesy sauce. You got it. Where you at?
Walking to my old apartment.
Dang, I wanted you to come taste the macaroni.
Oh,
Who over there at your old apartment?
nobody. I just want to go over there for memories and look at the pool.
You funny as heck. Aw, you must miss Chris.
Yeah, but I'm gonna be back 'cause I'm almost there.
Okay, well,
I'm like about to be there in like the next 7 minutes maybe.
all right. Well, I think I'm gonna taste some right now, and then say, you know, have it out when you come.
Okay.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
So she's not even at home. Memory lane. She missed her boyfriend, so. Let me taste it. It's so cheesy. This is so good.
Yeah, cause I can hear you, but I cannot hear nothing on my game. I can't hear me shooting, I can't hear
I love it. Okay, so Aisha is over here to try the macaroni. Where I need something to scoop it out. But I can't scoop it out with no fork. Dang, I already have a spoon. You put it in the thing. Here, grab your fork. Cheesy. It's real cheesy. There you go. It's too hot.
I couldn't do it.
That face you made, oh my goodness.
It's good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
I like it. So where's yours?
I decided I'm forfeiting because
Oh my goodness.
I didn't know how to doctor it up, you know.
You didn't know what you was gonna do.
I didn't know what I was really missing.
Mm-hmm.
I think I just messed up with the whole cheese, so.
Okay.
Because I ran out of the evaporated milk.
I had some.
Oh,
I had another can.
I didn't know. I take this. Oh, does mine.
Right.
I'll bring your plate back. This
Yes,
is bomb. I'll come for real. It's hot.
Now I get to wrap it up because yeah, I made sure it was extra cheesy because you know your girl loves some cheese.
It's delicious.
Yeah. Alright sis, see you later.
Love you, night.
Love you too. Okay, so now I'm about to wrap this up. Since she liked it. I knew she was gonna like it. Ooh, I'm so tired, it's late. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, peace.